DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Wall Curtains. Today we have a fantastic video lined up for you. We're diving into the world of DIY home decor crafts that you have to try in 2024. Not only are these projects super trendy, but they are also incredibly easy to make. Stick around, because I'll be sharing detailed step-by-step instructions on each craft. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our creative content. Let's get started. Craft 1 Terrazzo-inspired plant pots. Our first DIY project is all about bringing the trendy terrazzo pattern to your plant pots. It's an excellent way to add a touch of modern sophistication to your home. Here's what you'll need. Step 1. Gather materials. Grab some plain plant pots, acrylic paints in your favorite colors, and a sponge. That's it. Step 2. Painting the terrazzo pattern. Now, let's start by applying a base coat to your pots. Once that's dry, use the sponge to create those unique terrazzo speckles. It's all about random patterns, so don't be afraid to get creative. Step 3. Seal the deal. After the paint has dried completely, seal your masterpiece with a clear sealer. This not only protects the paint but also gives your pots a beautiful glossy finish. And there you have it, custom terrazzo plant pots ready to elevate your plant game. Craft 2. LED string light wall art. Next up, let's light up your space with some personalized LED string light wall art. It's a simple yet stunning project that will instantly transform any room. Here's what you'll need. Step 1. Gather materials. You'll need a canvas, a string of LED lights, and some creativity. Step 2. Design your masterpiece. Plan your design on the canvas. It could be your favorite quote, a symbol, or even an abstract pattern. Once you've decided, use a pencil to lightly sketch it onto the canvas. Step 3. Illuminate your art. Now, poke holes along the sketched lines and insert the LED lights. Secure the lights on the back of the canvas, and voila! You've just created your very own LED string light wall art. It's a cozy and personalized addition to any room. Craft 3. Bohemian-inspired dreamcatcher. Bring a touch of boho chic into your home with our third DIY project, the dreamcatcher. It's not only a beautiful piece of decor but also a symbol of positive energy. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Gather materials. You'll need an embroidery hoop, some yarn, feathers, and beads. Step 2. Weave your dreams. Start by wrapping the embroidery hoop with yarn. Then, create the web by weaving the yarn in a pattern that suits your style. Add feathers and beads to personalize your dream catcher even further. Step 3. Hang with pride. Finally, attach a string to the hoop and hang your dream catcher in your favorite spot. This project not only looks gorgeous but also brings good vibes to your space. And there you have it, 5 DIY home decor crafts you must try in 2024. I hope you found these projects inspiring and easy to follow. Remember, the key is to let your creativity flow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Happy crafting!